If you're a property manager, landlord, or real estate investor, you know how important it is to keep track of your properties, tenants, and finances. That's where property management software comes in. In this video, we'll explore what property management software is, why you might need it, and how to choose the right one for your business. We'll also take a look at the top 3 property management software companies according to B2B Reviews. But first, what is property management software? Property management software is a tool that helps property managers and landlords streamline their day-to-day operations. It typically includes features like rent collection, lease management, maintenance tracking, accounting, and reporting. Some property management software also includes online portals for tenants to pay rent, submit maintenance requests, and communicate with their landlords. Why might you need property management software? If you manage multiple properties or have a large number of tenants, it can be overwhelming to keep track of everything manually. Property management software can help you stay organized, save time, and reduce errors. By automating tasks like rent collection and maintenance requests, you can focus on more strategic aspects of your business, like growing your portfolio or improving tenant satisfaction. How do you choose the right property management software? With so many property management software options available, it can be challenging to choose the right one for your business. Here are some key factors to consider. Features. Make a list of the features you need, such as rent collection, lease tracking, and maintenance management. Look for software that offers those features and any additional ones you might want in the future. Ease of use. Property management software should make your life easier, not more complicated. Look for software with an intuitive interface and easy-to-use features. Price. Property management software can vary in price from free to several $100s per month. Consider your budget and choose software that offers the features you need at a price you can afford. Customer support. Look for software that offers customer support, whether through email, phone, or live chat. You want to be able to get help when you need it. Reviews. Read reviews from other property managers and landlords to see what they like and don't like about different software options. This can help you narrow down your choices and make an informed decision. Now let's take a look at 3 top property management software companies. Buildium is a cloud-based property management software designed for small to mid-sized property management companies. It includes features like rent collection, lease management, maintenance tracking, and online portals for tenants. Buildium also offers accounting and reporting features, making it a comprehensive solution for property managers. Doorloop is a cloud property management solution that allows you to manage tenant applications, execute lease agreements, charge and collect rent payments, communicate with tenants, and do all your accounting in a single platform. The company offers a free trial and has customizable solutions for residential and commercial properties, affordable housing, student housing, community associations, mobile homes, and self-storage facilities. RentReady is a property management software company that offers a range of tools to landlords and property managers to help streamline their operations. Overall, RentReady aims to provide a comprehensive solution for property management that simplifies the rental process for both landlords and tenants. RentReady charges a fee to tenants, making the software free to use for property managers. In summary, property management software can help you manage your properties, tenants, and finances more efficiently. By automating tasks and providing online portals for tenants, property management software can save you time and improve tenant satisfaction. With the right property management software, you can focus on growing your business and providing the best possible service to your tenants. For access to the full list of top property management software options with screenshots, special pricing, customer reviews, and other helpful resources, visit b2breviews.com.